right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So, action.
Hey!
Okay.
Hey, what's up, Shooniverse? It's me, Shu, again, giving you another edition of what I do every so often. And today, I'm just going to tell you my thoughts on a bunch of random subjects. And then, by the way, I don't know what subjects are coming up. I just have the man behind the camera telling me which ones. And then I'm just going to tell you what I think about it. Am I going to watch Godzilla? The thing about me and movies is I'm so far behind. I'm still like in the 50s trying to catch up. But I did see Pitch Perfect, and that was a good one. But I don't think I'm gonna, I don't know when I'm gonna watch Godzilla. I may not. And what was the second question? Do monsters exist? Yes, they do. But they live within us.
That's a dumb question.
You know that was a good answer. Am I gonna watch X-Men? Yes, I probably will watch X-Men. And what superpower do I want? I want the superpower to get any chick I want, even if she's married. Because just because soccer has a goalie doesn't mean you can't still score. Okay, first of all, who the fuck is Maleficent? And second of all, what supervillain would I be? Medusa. Oh shit, okay. A Million Ways to Die in the West. It's gonna be great! No. Murder. Murder by gun. Murder by strangling. Murder by asphyxiation. Murder by drowning. Murder by an NRA member, murder by a gang member, murder by a mentally insane person, murder, we'll just say murder, getting trampled on by wild animals such as an Olingito, or a zebra, or a ram, or a yak, or a sheep, or a billy goat. Okay, well, get out your pad and paper because I'm going to name each one of them. Murder with a hammer, murder with a screwdriver, murder with a sharp object, murder by a dog eating you, murder by a cat eating you, you could drink too many energy drinks, falling off a building, or getting hit by a car, getting eaten by red ants, your ex-wife, heat stroke, alcohol poisoning. Alright everybody, so that's my thoughts on those movies, and how just 1,000 Ways to Die in the West. So if you liked it, then share! Push that share button, because I know it's there. If you didn't like it, then push that share button, because I know it's there. And if you have any questions, if you have any ideas for me, let me know. Let me know and I'll do them, because I'm a textbook people pleaser. So, let me know. Bye guys. Have a great one.